Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing the shear tool. So make sure you still have your hammer and that you are in edit mode. And let's go to top view and turn on our X-ray mode with Alt Z. And what we can do here is highlight some of our faces here. Let's just take our selection tool and maybe just drag and get one of the loops right here of the hammer and hit 7 to go back to the top view. And if we enable the shear tool, notice we get all these different options and you can essentially just shear the geometry. I don't use this very often, but if you ever need to kind of slant your geometry, the shear tool is going to be for you. So let's just kind of zigzag this like that. I'm just going to kind of make the tool, the geometry look kind of crazy here. And actually I may add a loop cut right here. I'm going to go to my select tool, go back to faces, and maybe do these up here. So we've got the whole loop right there. And let's do our shear tool and just click and drag that way. I'm going to go to 7 just to make sure. And I'm just going to make this handle look funky because I think that would look pretty awesome. So grab that and then just shear it the other way. So there we go. Now if we turn off our see-through, we've got this really funky handle, and I think it just gives a little bit of character. You don't have to do that, but just wanted to show you what the shear tool can do, and you can still, offset it down here with your little box if you need to. But I'm happy with that, and let's go ahead and jump into the next lesson where we're going to talk about the to sphere tool.